Assalamu alaikum and welcome again. Now we will solve May June 2021 paper 3 variant 1. We will start by web authoring. Now these are the source files. The evidence file, we should create a new word process document and make it as evidence with header. Then this is the first time to talk about the step of making the folder of web design to be in the file management. So we have to create our BHH folder and copying all the files which is for the web design. These are the 10 files, so I should put them here. Then we have to make our evidence using file name, type, size, and I need to add dimensions. If it is not appearing right here, I will go for more and find it here. It is alphabetically done. So this is dimensions and okay. So your snip will be like this. And done. Then I will go to create my website. I have to create BHH folder in my web design in the folder. So it will be bhh.htm. I have to create this table as the following, and they have mentioned it has to fit 80% of the browser window. So I have to be careful that this table is talking about percentage dimensions. We have no pixel dimensions here or any other measurement. It is just only the percentage. So first of all, we have to open the site BHH, create the file, then we will work on the table. Now let's do it. Now here from open site, I can choose from my desktop PHH and open. So I have opened my folder here. These are the files. Then I have to click here on the new and save my file. Call it bhh.htm. And I can just use it as web pages. As you see, these are the options for HTML or HTML. It's up to you. Both are correct. Now, if they are asking us to change the title, I can click right here to change the title. But right now, there is nothing mentioning the title, so I will ignore change title and go for save. Now, after I have saved my file, I will go to table, insert, and check. I have 4 rows with 5 columns. 4 rows, 5 columns, and the width will be 80%. Done. Now merge, modify, merge, modify, merge, and modify, merge. Then we have to check here the height is 20%, width 20, here width by height 20 by 20. So these are the same from B to J. Height, okay, let's do it. Right click, cell properties, the height in percent 20, the cells, modify, cell properties, percent 2020. Here width 20, 20%, and cell properties height 40%. Now I have applied the percentage. I have to save my work. Nothing is changed. Later on we will find the difference. Now the letters should not be done, we don't have to write them. Borders will not appear. The border is 0. Set the title of the web page to be Bali Holiday Home's homepage. So, as we said, the title could be in the code rather than untitled one here. I can just write it and save. Also from file properties, we can find title. I will keep this for the next question. Set the name of the default target window to be _self. For now, we have done the title and we have done the target window. Save your work and back to question 5. Now, question 5 is the challenge in this exam. It is asking us to insert these images for the cell places from A to F. We have the first one logo, the last one jungle, and from 1 to 4 from B to E. Okay. Now back to design and get logo in the first one. Now with no alternative because they did not ask us to. Then here 1 in B. Okay. This could be here. Done. Now in the second one 2. Third one 3. The fourth one here. Then here in the F we will insert jungle. Okay. Now save your file just not to lose anything. After I have placed everything, place inline style attributes into HTML so that each image fits the width of the table cell with its aspect ratio maintained. So I have to do the following. We are here in the inline style and this is the first one. Just double click on the image. The appearance here, specify the width 100%. The first one, we just have to wait because it takes time. Now the second one, the appearance, the width 100%, so it becomes what we want. Same here. We have to do this procedure for all the photos. 100 in percent. And if you want to check the code, we can find that these are the images. This is the width, 100%. This is the name, and we can add appropriate alternate text to all images. So I have to make this for logo, appearance, and here in general, logo for, and I can take Bali, home. Okay. Then the first one. How can I take some alternate? I can just look down to question 8. I can put for the other 4 pictures compact, larger, secluded, and with the view. Now let's do that. Larger. Secluded. And a view. Done. Last one, I can name it jungle. Done. Save and back. We have to put these names in the beneath cells. It's not easy to control. Compact, tab, larger, with a view. Okay. Okay. Done. Now apply H2 to this text. I go back here. Just I click to select them all. Shift and right. You can select them all using your keyboard. And from here, H2. Done. Place in K the contents of the text file. I will not drag and drop. I just double click. Control A, Control C. Then I back to the HTML, and here I will make paste. Then the style will be paragraph here, and save your work. then NL, write last edited by. In the new line, write your name details, and the line below, contact BHH. Here we have the cell. Now, last edited by, write your name and details. Hadil Yusuf, JO014, my number. Then BHH and contact BHH. Now this style for the cell should be H3. From here, H3. Then it is asking us to create hyperlink from the text contact BHH to open this existing website or web page with this name in a new browser in a window called blank. So I will go to contact BHH. Just only contact BHH, right click, hyperlink, BHH contact here, and target frame, a new window. By default we have underscore blank. Now here is the blank, contact BHH, the name of the file, so I am in a good shape. Save your work. Attach the style sheet BHH CSS to your website. Now, what to do? I will drag the style sheet to my file. Don't panic that the text has been hidden. We have to believe that there is some mystery in the CSS file, and we will explore it right now. It is talking about to open the file CSS. Then we have to work on the background with the color BRG. We have to redefine the color to be RGB, red 21, green 2F, and the blue 36. Then we have to fix the background image to be the background only on the top left corner. It means no repeat, and we have to choose the position top and left in the corner. Then we have to fix H1, 2, 3 and paragraph. As you see here, it is not listed as them in its tag. Here it is P. It should be San Francisco. If not available Calibri, then sans serif. Be careful about San Francisco. It's 2 words, 1 name. So we have to make it in double quotation. Then the paragraph style should be fully justified and 12 font. Lastly, we have the right align of the table to be in the window. Okay. So let's double click CSS. Now we have the CSS here. Then I have to work on the background. As you know, background has no separate style. It is within the style which is called body. So I have to make the selector here body. Then here in the background I can define the color. If you can't work on the hexa, just click on any color, then it will 21, 20F, 21, 2F, and 36 here. By this, we have defined the color that they want. Then the background image, just click on browse and click on the image they want. This is the BG, open, and no repeat, because it should appear just only for one time. The position left, and in the Y position it will be on the top left, no repeat, the name and the color. So the body here is done. Then click on OK. You have the body as listed. Now after this, I will go to define H2, H3, sorry, H1, H2, H3, and P. Now what's the family font? Between quotation, San Francisco, close the quotation, comma, Calibri, comma, sans serif, and there is no font size for this, so just OK. Now for the paragraph, you can make it as manage or modify style, or you can just make it right here in the text align. You can find the text align. Here I found the font size 12 point. PT, I have to write it next to it. And for the alignment, here the text align just only the justify. So for the P, white 12 and justify. Then we have to fix right align for the table in the browser window. So this is the table, and I want to make it as the alignment. Here I will make it from the left margin. I will make it auto. So let's do it. From here, margin left, auto. Now save your work and back here, add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the end of the style sheet. I will go to the end, slash star, write your name, JO0. You have to close the comment by star slash. In the opposite way, I will delete the unwanted lines just to keep it more compact for the screen. And new, I will make my screenshot showing the file name, the content, and add it to my evidence file. Now display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize it so that all page can be seen, the text easily read, address bar is visible, background image is fully visible, and put it in your evidence document. Let's go. Back, I will close the style and the text, save your work, then browse. In the browser, we have the table with the spacing. It is right aligned with the pictures and the logo. Just I will make a screenshot showing the folder name, file name, the content, and I can just put it in the evidence. Display HTML source. This means the code. So back, go to code, Control A, Control C. This means I have selected all the code and I can just paste it in my evidence file. Here you write evidence 4 and paste. This evidence, it takes 2 to 3 pages. It is 3 pages. Just only the code is 3 pages. Don't panic. They want it all. So we have collected right now full 45 marks. Have a nice day after printing the evidence file, because the other task, which is data analysis, doesn't want the evidence. Have a nice day.